Okay, Stirling Engine take 2. I made the minor adjustments. I added more heat. There are 3 T candles there right now. I set the top. I made the balloon so that it has a better fit with a less crooked connecting rod. I believe everything is balanced. And I believe everything looks the way it should. Here's some views of it. It's a 90-degree angle. And I'll just show you what it looks like when I try to So there might be an internal problem, like the bottom of the displacer, but please, there is a Stirling Engine God. There will not be an internal problem. It's getting pretty hot right now. The ice is melting. Can't imagine that it should still be not working like this. And I'm about to smash this thing against a wall. Or maybe just hire someone a lot smarter than I am in the field of physics. The ice is melting. Okay, end of take 2.